What does core product mean? A core product is the fundamental benefit of service that customers are looking for when they buy a product, and also the value or solution offered to customers. Netflix case example. Netflix core product is not just a streaming app or catalog of movie and TV series. Its core product is on-demand entertainment. Customers subscribe to Netflix not just to watch movie, but to kill time, relax, gain emotional experience, through stories, and enjoy their free time in a flexible and personalized way. Features like personalized recommendation, the ability to watch on multiple devices, and no ads are all derivatives of these core products.
Core competency must be difficult for competitors to imitate in terms of achieving the necessary internal coordination and learning. A core competency is a unique and strategic capability that differentiates a company from its competitor and provides a sustainable competitive advantage. It is difficult to imitate because it involves a complex combination of research capabilities and knowledge that are internalized with the organization. The Netflix case example is one of Netflix's core competencies is its ability in content personalization and customer data analysis. They collect and analyze extensive data on their user viewing by behavior to understand preference and habits and trends. This data is then used to high accurate recommendation. Netflix recommendation algorithm significantly increase user engagement and customer retention because users find content that is relevant to their interests. Recombining data and technology to create new value is also an advantage that is difficult for competitors to catch up.
In theory, strategic alliances have three main benefits. They allow companies to share risk and cost, especially R&D cost. They allow companies to benefit from their partners' complementary resources. And they enable faster development of capabilities to deliver products and service valued by output markets. A strategic alliance is a collaboration between two or more organizations to achieve a specific strategic goal. Netflix case example. Netflix has entered into several strategic alliances that demonstrate these benefits. Risk and cost sharing, or R&D. While Netflix now invests heavily in production original content like itself, in the early days of its international expansions, it may have entered into alliances with local content providers or regional streaming platforms to share the risk and cost of entering new markets and offering locally relevant content.
Bartmers and Czerny provide 5 criteria for assessing the need of collocation activities to play a significant role in future recommendation: complexity, degree of interaction required, similarity of background and skill of the individuals involved, prior relationship requirement, constraints of information. Collocation or physical proximity can facilitate knowledge, recommendation, and innovation in organization. Bartmers and Cherry criteria help assess when collection is important. Complexity. The more complex the text or problem, the more important it is for collocation to allow for direct communication and problem solving. And degree of interaction required. If the work requires frequent and incentive interaction between individuals, collection facilities the exchange of ideas and information. Similarity of background. and skills the individuals involved. A creating degree of similarity can facilitate understanding and communication, but manage difference can also stimulate creativity, collocation, help bridge the gap. Prior relationship requirement. Strong, trusting work relationship facilitate effective collaboration. Collocation can help build and maintain this relationship. Contractedness of information. When information is ambiguous, take it difficult to express, or require shared interpretation, direct interaction through collocation becomes more important. In Netflix case, in the Netflix contents, while much of the technology and development work can be done in a distributed manner, collocation of certain teams may be important in several scenarios. The first one is original content production. While filming takes place in multiple locations, the strategic planning phase of original content involving producer, writers, directors, and content executive may require face-to-face meeting and collocation to align creative vision and business strategy. The level of interaction required and the requirements of prior relationship between stakeholders might justify collocation. New technology integration. When Netflix acquires a new technology company or adopts a highly innovative technology, integration teams from both parties may need to collocation to transfer tacit knowledge, build a shared understanding of the complex system, and ensure a smooth integration. The concreteness of information, which may be difficult to document, and technical complexity may encourage collocation.
I will explain you about harmony is not the most important measure of success. As representative of my group, harmony is not the most important measure of success. This aspect is rooted in cultural and historical difference. The authors argue that Western companies will not realize the full benefit of competitive collaboration until they overcome the arrogance born of dedicated of leadership. An excessive focus on harmony in strategic alliance can hinder innovation and effective decision making. Difference in cultural and business approach between partners are natural and need to be managed, not eliminated entirely. For example, is Netflix. In an international alliance, Netflix may face cultural difference with a local partner in terms of content preference, communication style, or business practice. If Netflix focus too much on avoiding conflict and imposing their Western approach, they may miss valuable insight into the local markets and fail to adapt their strategy effectively. The success of alliance depends instead on the ability of both parties to appreciate difference, learn from each other, and find mutually beneficial way of working despite possible tension of disagreement. Thank you.
Collaboration is competition in a different form. Asian MNES view alliances as opportunities to develop new FSRS and not primarily as a convenient tool to reduce investment costs and risk. Usually on the upstream, technology, development and manufacturing side, unlike some Western firms, strategic alliances often contain elements of competition. Partners may cooperate in certain areas, but compete in others. Asian firms tend to view alliances as opportunities to acquire firm-specific advantage, FSAS, such as new technologies or knowledge. Netflix case example, while Netflix collaborates with device manufacturers for distribution, they compete with other streaming platforms that may also partner with the same manufacturers. In some content alliances, Netflix may learn about new genres or production formats from their partners, which they can then use to develop their own original content, thereby expanding their FSAS. Netflix focus on aggressively developing original content demonstrates a desire to build a unique competitive advantage.
Cooperation has its limits. Companies must protect themselves from competitive compromises. Asian multinational companies typically set clear learning objectives regarding what they want to achieve from a partnership and focus their efforts on acquiring knowledge and observing their partners' practice to support that earning. Companies participating in alliance must be cautious not to disclose too much information or reveal core capabilities to partners who may become future competitors. Setting clear learning goals helps companies stay focused on what they intend to gain from the alliance. Case example Netflix. When Netflix partners with production studio to distribute their content, they must be careful not to share too much strategic insight such as a recommendation algorithm or customer data which could be used by the studio to build their own streaming platforms. Netflix likely has clear learning objectives in every alliance, such as understanding the intricacies of local markets or learning specific production technique while still protecting their core asset.
Learning from partners is paramount. The contributions of Asian multinational companies to alliances often involve complex and tacit process knowledge that is not easily imitated or transferred, while Western partners often contribute more easily transferable and codified product and marketing knowledge. The ability to learn from and assimilate a partner's knowledge is key to the success of an alliance. Differences in the types of knowledge brought by partners can influence alliance dynamics. Case example Netflix. In its alliances with local content providers in Asia, Netflix may learn about cultural nuances and local viewer preference. Conversely, Netflix contribution may involve its subscription-based streaming business model or global marketing strategies. Uh, the success of the alliance depends on Netflix's ability to absorb local knowledge and integrate it into its content and marketing strategies for the respective market.